Hey, what's up, folks? Welcome back. Mike here from Netter Gold, and this time I'm going to show you one of these three Korean beauty face mask things. I'm going to test it out and see how it goes. So, if you're ever interested in one of these things, watch this video. If you haven't been interested, that's fine. You should be, because maybe, I don't know, whatever. Just, here's the intro. Watch the intro. Let's make this happen, shall we? All right, so was at the groceries? No, beauty supply store. Was there with my family. Saw these things and figured like, wow, these things are definitely something people like. So I want to give them a shot. Now, the ingredient combination again is something I'm not too familiar with, but I don't know everything. So with that being the case, I definitely want to try one out. So I got three of them here. There's the purifying, there's the detoxing, and the soothing. Honestly, I feel like I need to detox first, then purify. No. Yeah, I'm gonna detox first, then purify, and then soothe. I'm not gonna do all three today, but I will go through them all eventually. But today I'm gonna start with the detox. So let's get that started. I'm gonna show you all me putting this stuff on, and yeah, it says opposed to, what is this thing? Place on my face and then remove after 10 to 20 minutes. Now, I only got this much face, so I'm not sure how this is going to work, but we're going to give it a shot together. So let's make that happen. So yeah, this is my face right now. I definitely thought it was gonna be a gel mask, but it doesn't say gel on it. So it does say sheet mask, so it is like a sheet. Yeah, so it's like a sheet. It feels like a sheet of like medical gauze or something. So, and it's just like medical gauze soaked in these ingredients here, cut out to the shape of my face. As you can see, I couldn't get all the way down. Also, like the mouth part, just the ratio is really off for me, so I had to improvise. But yeah, so it's gonna leave on for about 20 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and do that, and I keep looking to the side because I'm looking at myself. So if it looks weird, that's why, because I'm looking over to the side. But I feel like I have like this mustache. I feel like I look like the hero Snatch from My Hero Academia. But yeah, so 20 minutes. Let's make this happen. All right, so I mean, it's a sheet of paper, so it's not really much to it. I honestly thought it was gonna be a little bit like gel or something, but it's not. So. But my face is damp. It's moist. I got a moist face. It's a cotton mask with oils and stuff on it. So, does my face feel detoxed? No, it just feels damp. That's it. It just feels moist. Yeah, I mean, I don't really have much else to say about this thing. It's just literally the ingredients were just on my face, and I I don't feel any difference except my face felt cold. My face felt cold. The whole time it felt very cool. Nice cooling sensation, so that was very relaxing. And I feel like this, honestly, I feel like this would be a lot better if I was like laying on a massage table or something. You know, like getting my legs worked on or something like that. It's probably very relaxing, like that whole cucumber cooling sensation. But I don't know, maybe my vibe was off, my ambiance was off, so it kind of just a thing. It just was an annoying thing that wouldn't let me breathe out of my nose. So yeah, that's that. I really wish I had more to give you on that one, but I don't. It was very anticlimactic, so here we are again, no climax. Sorry about that. Yeah, I don't know. So do me a solid favor, subscribe to the channel. In the comments below, let me know what you think. Would you like me to test out next? But yeah, as far as these things, really wouldn't spend the money on them. But if you're a masseuse or esthetician or something, these are nice. Could be a nice little additive to throw on top of somebody's face while they're getting some treatment. It's very relaxing, very soothing. But for the lay person, you know, like you, I wouldn't really recommend it. Yeah, I mean, my face feels soft, but it's usually how things feel after they're wet. So, yeah.